What's up, guys? A very short update on the price of Bitcoin. So what we had during the last 24 hours. Indeed, the growth was a false breakout as I expected, and the price went directly back to the channel where it went, where it was before. And again, it happened just because of the drop in S&P 500. So previously we had the growth in Bitcoin because of that, and now we had the decline in price because of S&P as well. And again, it's very likely that we'll continue to do the same thing until we break this descending triangle, because it's the bearish pattern and we broke this channel already. So likely that it's the start of at least short-term correction. And how it will reflect the price of Bitcoin? Well, I would say that it's very likely, in my opinion, that we'll continue to go within this channel. And as you can see, that we have the one false breakout, and potentially we actually may have another false breakout and then go up. So that would be the typical N-type pattern which we see in Bitcoin for like 2-3 years recently. It's very often happening, and that would be the most bullish scenario. Well, not the most bullish, but very bullish scenario, because we still get the liquidity below 90,000, but it wouldn't be that devastating, and still very strong impulse to growth from these liquidation areas, meaning that the bulls are very strong here. But another option, and I think this is actually more likely to happen, is that we'll continue to go within this range, right? But we won't test $92,000. Instead of that, we'll maybe go a little lower, a little higher, but eventually we will test 100,000. And this is the key level, right? So as soon as we test the 100,000, then there are two options. So either we have a pullback from here, and which means that the whole price development here is just only to have a false breakout and get liquidity and then go lower. So that would mean that it's likely that we'll go much lower, maybe like 85,000 at least. Another option is that upon the test, we'll make maybe a few tests here, but eventually break out. So breaking this key level means that that was just the first initial test, and then this is the start of the major move above all-time high. Of course, we can stay here for some time, make this consolidation, and then eventually only eventually break out. But that would be very likely scenario. So the result here is whether we test it and get a pullback, or whether we test and breakout. That will mean a lot and define the future trend with a great extent. Of course, a lot of things depend on the S&P 500, so we'll see about that. But still Bitcoin may get some kind of independence during this bull era, because we're still strong. Bulls still have this inertia from the previous couple of months of the growth. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for today. I will keep you updated tomorrow and make another video. So see you soon. Goodbye.